All right, guys, Jeff here, just going to give you a lowdown on this Ryobi 18-volt rad nailer. This thing is perfect for the projects I put it to use for. So this is a small little project that I'm building this shelf with. And again, it just it's perfect for what I'm using. It uses the 18-volt battery. I've got that 6 amp hour one there right now. And then I'm just using those 18 gauge brads. And these are typically big enough to do the type of project that I'm doing here. But this AirStrike Ryobi just gets the job done. I've done I've hung trim, I've hung molding, I've hung all kinds of stuff, and now I'm doing it to use this build these little shelves inside this cabinet. So if you're in the market, you're looking for a really nice setup, trigger operated depression there. You can obviously adjust the depth of the sink there, and then you can even adjust the amount of pressure. So depending on the material, you can dial up the pressure. You can also change the depth in which you sink it. If you do get a jam, you've got the top release here. Quick load, one-handed operation that way, and just super nice. So anyway, if you're in the market looking for a way to upgrade your trim game, I would highly recommend you take a look at this.